Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem, convert lowercase to uppercase. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically we would be given a string that is, for example, let's take my name, okay, and this is in lowercase. I need to convert it in uppercase and that would be my output. So I can directly use a built-in function in Python, that is dot upper. So what I would do is I would apply dot upper. Now what do I want in uppercase? I want this string in uppercase. So basically just by using this built-in function in one line I can solve this question. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's code it. So guys, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school, and after choosing school, you need to find the problem lowercase to uppercase, okay? After finding it, let's solve it, okay? Let's read the question. Given a string str containing only lowercase letters, generate a string with the same letters but in uppercase, okay? And now we would code it over here, okay? So let's do it. So I would just directly write return, okay? 1 minute. So I would directly write return, okay? And I need to return with str.upper. So I would write str.upper, 1 minute, upper, and then just the brackets. Now to check if it is correct or not, I would click on compile and run. So let's wait. It is getting compiled. Okay, so it is compiled. And see, my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. So let's wait, it is getting submitted. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the question lowercase to uppercase. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching it. Thank you.